Time for a good old-fashioned unboxing. I'm sorry if you hear screaming in the background. I told my family please not to scream because I'm filming, and you know, normally this isn't a warning that normal people have to give to their family, but we're Romanian, so screaming is like in our blood, and of course they thought it was very funny that I asked them not to scream, so now they will undoubtedly start screaming. But I have 3 packages to unbox for you today. 2 of them, these 2 I bought with my own money, and this is a PR package, so let's get into it. You'll see I already opened this because this had no sender written on it, and I was just dying of curiosity. I didn't know what it was. I'm gonna start with the biggest box, which is from H&M. It's very big because there's a bag in here. I didn't actually order that much. I got 5 things. Ugh. How do I open this? Haha. Whee! Alright. First up, we have a pair of light gray sweat shorts. I wanted to get these because it has been very, very hot here recently, and I felt like my shorts weren't very comfortable or flattering, and I wanted to get a pair that would be both, so therefore sweat shorts. And I thought light gray would be easy to style with a lot of things, and you can kind of dress it up with like a bodysuit or something and make them look a little nicer. I got a lot of basics because like 90% of the things that I own in my wardrobe are statement pieces, but it's very hard to style statement pieces with statement pieces. So I was like, okay, I need to take a break from all the like cool funky patterns and stuff and just get a few things that go with everything. So that's a little bit the theme here. Next, we have a plain white linen button-down shirt. The quality of this feels very nice. It's sheer, but it's also thick. Like, I don't know how to explain. Like, you can see through the fabric, but it's also like a quite nice sturdy fabric, so I feel like it won't wrinkle too much or too easily. It has just the right amount of wrinkle. I like a little bit of wrinkle in linen shirts like this, but not too much wrinkle, and I feel like this will provide the right amount of wrinkle. Next was a piece that I wasn't very sure about, but it was on sale, and I was like, okay, I'll try this out. I'll see if I keep them or not. They are a pair of camel brown, long, loose, comfy pants in a frotte fabric, which basically is like the texture of towels. I feel like they will be comfortable. They're very smooth on the inside. They maybe feel a little bit, and also smell a little bit plasticky. I'm not sure if I will keep these. I'm sure they will be comfy. They're also quite thin. I don't know how I feel about these. I'll have to try them on and decide if I want to keep them or not. My main thing is just, will I be able to wear these out? Because I want something comfortable like this that I can also wear outside and not feel like a potato. You know, so I don't know, we'll see. Next, we have a skirt. This skirt has been the source of much anxiety because I bought it in a size 40. And the thing is, my waist is a size 40, but my butt is a size 48. I am a very, very, very pear-shaped girl. I carry most of my weight on my hips and butt. So, you know, I was like, if this is too tight around the booty area, then it's not gonna fit. Looking at it now, I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared that it won't fit, but it's a very pretty skirt. It has a little knot detail over here. You can't see anything because it's black. Can you see any details? Maybe a little bit? I don't know. It has a little knot detail here, and it has a little slit. I will have to see. And it also seems to have a slightly V-shaped waistline, which I think is quite flattering, but the size, I don't know about. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I hope so, because I think I will very like it. It's a very nice fabric. It feels like linen, but I think it's made out of something else. It's 75% viscose. And lastly, we have our big item, the bag. Let me just get the bag out of the bag. Woohoo! All right. Ooh, cool. This has a balloon in it. You know what we gotta do, right? Oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. Nope. I used to work at a party store. Balloons popping is my worst fear. It doesn't want to Okay, fine, I'll just use my nails. Woo! All right. Okay, but this is the bag. It's quite big. It's like an imitation suede kind of fabric. I like very large bags because I'm a very high maintenance bitch and I carry a lot of stuff with me everywhere I go. Oh, this is a little problematic though. This doesn't have a zipper. I didn't realize that it didn't have a zipper. I feel kind of concerned about people being able to just like, it doesn't even have a magnet to close it with. Like, I feel like anyone can just reach in here and grab anything out of my bag. That's a little scary, but I'll think about it, whether that's a risk I'm willing to take or not. I just really needed a new bag because mine was falling apart. Ellie! Mocha! Thank you! But I wanted to get this kind of like light brown color because I thought black would be a little too dark and white would get too dirty, and I just wanted something that would easily go with everything, or at least most things, and that this is what I landed on. So that was everything from H&M. Now let's get into my little itty bitty package from Skinnydip. My Skinnydip London package says, "You deserve this," which, yes bitch, I do. Let's open it up. Na, na, na. Woohoo! Continuing on with our friendly neutrals theme, I got a motel vest in brown and beige. I liked this pattern. I thought it was cute. It looks, the beige looks a little more yellow than it did on the website, but I think it's quite cute. I don't have a lot of vests. Yeah, I feel like this will go very, very nicely with the white linen button down from H&M. I kind of had that pairing in mind when I bought it. Cute. I like. Last but not least, we have my PR package. This is from yesstyle. It is part of their back to school campaign, and it is PR with obligation to post. I will be making a YouTube video for them. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. It'll go up sometime before the 18th of September because that is the deadline for the video. And it has bubble wrap, which is already a giant gift in itself. But yeah, I was very happy about this, and it was a bit of a mystery package because literally there's no return address on this package. It's not in like a yesstyle box. It is just a box. And I had no idea. I got the tracking for it. I had no idea what it was. In here we have a Calming Care Cleansing Gel to Foam Mild and Moist Cleanser from a brand called Bano Baji. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is what it looks like inside. Whoop. Then we have, oh gosh, I don't know how to say this brand name. Is it Cox-IR or Coxier? I don't know, but it is the, I'm going to say Coxier Tea Tree Pore and Sebum Toner, which minimizes enlarged pores, which I definitely need. Here's what that looks like. I've seen this all over social media. A lot of skincare influencers are using this and saying really great things about it, so I'm very excited to try it out. I have combination skin. Then we have a cold extraction and compression water wash balm from the brand Juice to Cleanse. I think this is a cleansing balm, and it came with a little spatula. I've never had a skincare product with a little spatula, and I love this packaging. It's just like a cute little jar, and it's so adorable, and I love it. I love minimalistic packaging like this. I love colorful packaging like this. It's gonna look so cute in product photos. I am very excited. And last but not least, another product I have seen all over social media and really been wanting to try is the brand is called Pestlo, and it is the Panther Recipe Nonisika Soothing Serum. And it's another very pretty one that is going to be so good for product photography. I love doing product shots of skincare, especially really pretty skincare like this. It's a pretty little glass bottle, very high quality feeling with a little dropper. So that was it for this little unboxing of what I got this week as a content creator and micro influencer. Nothing here for UGC, but I am expecting 2 packages and another one will be sent soon for UGC. So probably arriving next week or sometime soon. Let me know if you want more unboxings like this, more kind of like PR unboxings or just shopping unboxings, and just, you know, let me know. Okay, bye.